This is Glenn Scott the painter, Sun City. I'm at the home of Norma and John. We're going to remove the acoustic ceiling here in the master suite and in the guest room. As you can see, I have the master outlined with the blue tape, getting ready. Anyway, then we have to do the guest room. We'll remove the acoustic, skim coat, texture, and paint. The acoustic is off, and I'm getting ready to skim coat. The ceilings are on. I'm getting ready to apply the wall paint. The ceilings turned out really good. They always do though. Yep, looks good. Anyway, getting ready to apply the wall paint. Okay, I'm getting ready to do Mandy's room, the daughter. And the ceilings look good in here also. Okay, this is the final for Mandy's room. Her color is, what was that color, Mandy? Silence by Bear Paint. And this is Mandy. Everybody say hi to Mandy. Do you like your room, Mandy? Is it good?
I love it.
Cool. Praise the Lord. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen. This is Glenn Scott the painter, Sun City. Norma and John's home finished up. The trim is finished, the white trim. Norma, are you happy with everything?
Yes, I am.
Amen.
Fabulous job.
Amen. Everything does look good.